Introducing the HydroFLOW Pearl. Experience the advantages of managing limescale more effectively in your home. Are you tired of limescale clogging your pipes? Shower heads and taps covered with chalky deposits? Struggling with weak water pressure or noisy boilers that don't heat properly? And what about rising energy bills due to inefficient heating? Plus, the persistent watermarks that just don't clean away easily. These issues are more than just inconveniences. They're costly and time-consuming. HydroFLOW Pearl addresses these problems by preventing further limescale formation, clearing existing deposits, and keeping your water fixtures clean. It extends the lifespan of your appliances and saves energy, reducing your bills. But why choose HydroFLOW Pearl? No plumbing or pipe cutting is required. It's easy to install, simply fit it and forget it. It's long-lasting, reliable and sustainable. It's designed and manufactured in the UK, embodying original and patented technology that's been trusted worldwide for over 30 years. Operating costs are minimal, with the HydroFLOW Pearl running at just £4 per year. Don't just take our word on it. Our customers speak for themselves. Our customers have shared their success stories, praising HydroFLOW Pearl for its reliability, effectiveness, and long-term savings. HydroFLOW offers solutions not only for domestic use, but also for commercial and industrial applications. What sets HydroFLOW units apart? HydroFLOW units, sold in over 50 countries, help save water, extend the lifespan of appliances, improve energy efficiency, optimize chemical use, and minimize downtime, all of which contribute to reducing your environmental impact. Want to know how to get started? Contact your local representative today and discover how HydroFLOW Pearl can enhance your home or business.